नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं आर वॉइस न्यूज। आइए नजर डालते हैं प्रमुख खबर पे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी महिला मोर्चा की अध्यक्ष अग्निमित्र पॉल ने रविवार को मीडिया को संबोधित करते हुए बताया कि जब वो भाजपा कार्यकर्ताओं से मिलने संशोधन गृह में पहुंची तो उन्हें वहां जाने से रोक दिया गया। आइए सुनते हैं आगे उन्होंने क्या कहा।
That is the reason, they are thinking probably that if they beat us up, if they beat the BJP Karyakartas and rape and molest BJP female Karyakartas, then probably, they would be able to stop BJP. But Honorable Chief Minister Ms. Mamata Banerjee and her team of very, very incapable leaders, they are failing to understand that the people of Bengal are with BJP. The people of Bengal are with the Modi government. We want the Modi government, we want BJP to be here. Because we are tired, we are just tired of this political unrest, killing, joblessness, insecurity, torture on women. Every day, every hour, women are getting raped. People of Bengal are tired. We want a change. People of Bengal want a change. So how much you try to kill us, how much you try to molest or rape us, you will not be able to stop us. We will be forming the government in 21.
Okay. Secondly,
They have tried to? Sorry, I didn't get your question. It's very strange the way the state government has been working. Honorable CM, the way she talks, the kind of abusive language she uses against our Honorable Prime Minister, the way she behaves and treats our Honorable Governor, which is a very, very important constitutional post, the way she reacts to the High Court order of CAG, who is supposed to do this Amphan, this thing which has happened, the stealing of money and this thing, which High Court has ordered. I mean, she is our Honorable CM, she is just not bothered, and she is trying to always go against the central government and also the High Court. She is just not believing in the Indian Constitution, which is so strange. West Bengal is part of India. How can she has, I don't know from where she gets the audacity of disrespecting the Indian Constitution. And these police officers, one of them, I saw a picture, where he is wearing the costume, the uniform, and he is doing pranam to the Honorable CM. How can you do pranam when you are in the uniform? Many police, part of the police, I don't know to what level they want to stoop to get some few perks and benefits from this government. It's very, very unfortunate.
ma'am, lastly,
I do respect Shogotoda. I mean, I have been knowing him for a few years, but he's aged, so he really doesn't know what he's talking. And to maintain his chair and position, probably he is forced to, say these kind of irresponsible comments he needs to make. But we as a party, we have lost 131 Karyakartas. And innumerable women have been tortured and raped every day. Why would we want to, kill Honorable CM? We are not interested in these kind of, killings, and we want development. You see, the BJP ruled states of other parts of India. We only talk of development. And we will be talking of development once 2021 May comes. So we don't believe in these political killings. Now see, I pity this party. I pity TMC. I pity the Honorable CM. Because actually she has also realized that she will not come into power in 21. How much she plans to give tabs to the school children, or motorcycles, or money, or false promises of jobs, she will not come to power because the people of Bengal have lost their faith in this woman, lost their faith in this party, because this party, TMC, has cheated us. I heard she's coming tomorrow to North Bengal. I would request her, if she has little bit of sense left, to ask for forgiveness from the family of Ulan Roy, to ask for forgiveness for what happened in Diamond Harbour. And if you have little bit of shame left, you say always, Miss Banerjee, that you are the pride of Bengal, but we are so ashamed of you. If you have little bit of shame left, please go to that family, of that Adivasi family in Jalpaiguri. and that minority girl who was gang raped and killed, go to that family. And I would request Mamata Banerjee to please walk like she has walked for the Hathras victim. I would like to come and join her. I'm giving an open invitation. Mamata Banerjee, please ask me. I will go back to Calcutta tomorrow. I'll again come back and I'll join you. We'll walk together. Because I think you are for women's safety, security. You are for the women of Bengal. So let's walk together. You had walked for Hathras. Then why not for these little girls, little Adivasi girls of Jalpaiguri? Let's see if she takes my offer.